So hi guys and girls, Harry Mackenzie from Visordown.com. Hope you're all doing well. So we are on the TMAX 560 launch in Lisbon, and this is my first look at the new motorcycle. Well, is it a motorcycle? Is it a scooter? Well, technically it is actually a scooter, but from what I've heard, it handles pretty much like a motorbike, and it's got its own sort of frame and whatnot. But we digress once again. I do apologise. So just a little bit about the Yamaha TMAX then. This is one of Yamaha's best-selling models in Europe. They've sold over 300,000 units since 2001. So the scooter you see in front of me is the 7th generation of the TMAX. So what's really new on this bike? Well, compared to the last 6th generation model, the front end's pretty much the same. But if you move backwards, you've got a reworked side panel, some reworked lines there, reworked exhaust completely from the engine right the way back, supposedly better tone. We'll have to test that tomorrow. And what you can see is a new T-shaped rear light, sort of mimicking the R1 and R6, and also just a much thinner rear end, which helps passenger ergo and people getting on and off it on the back, which is handy. What else is new? Well, the engine has been slightly reworked. Obviously it's bigger capacity, slightly, I think the bore's like 2mm bigger than before, so it's gone to 560cc. It's Euro 5 compliant. It's got 6%, so it's a 6% larger engine, 6.5% more torque, and 3.5% more horsepower. So it's still A2 legal, so it's 47 horsepower, but this is an A2 legal maxi scooter, which is selling like gold dust in Europe, and Italians can't seem to get enough of it. So we're looking forward to riding this. We're going to be doing some stuff through town. We're going to be riding through some mountain roads as well, and really put it through its paces. So we're going to be doing slow stuff, fast stuff, and just get an idea of what the scooter's like. So this model here is priced. This is the Max. So it's got heated grips, adjustable electric screen. It's got gold-coloured forks, cruise control, grip heaters, and you'll see here an electric seat, heated seat. So it's got all the kind of goodies on the standard model. It's coming in a little bit more, so it's just over 11.5 grand. And the stock model, the standard model, is coming in at £10,199. That stock model is there, but that does have an accessory pack on it. So it's got the kind of cruising accessory pack. This is the model that I'm going to be riding tomorrow, so I'm going to focus on this one. What else is new? Well, under the seat here, which I can't open just yet, you've got a bit more storage space. You can fit an open face helmet, 2 of them in fact, or you can fit one full face helmet. That's pretty much an overview of what the new goods are on the TMAX 560. TMAX 560. So yeah, that's pretty much a rundown of what's new on the TMAX 560. You've got some new LEDs here, LED blade lights there, obviously an LED tail rear light. Yeah, but we'll go into more detail in the next video of first impressions riding it, and also a full review on Visordown.com. Appreciate it. Have a good day.